Hey guys, welcome back to the work on the Norseman 400, my sister's sailboat. In this episode, she rebuilt the toilet. We threw in some new AGM batteries. Wasn't too happy about the price. And we got the bottom painted. If you're interested, stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, you son of a bitch. I knew that was going to happen. Sitting here waiting on this stupid train. And he stopped. He's going to back up now, I bet. We went and got new batteries at West Marine. That was a cheap bill. Right, Sarah? With your COVID face on? Alright, so I got 4 new batteries here. $309 each. Yikes! So replace these bad boys, and I'm going to also put a tray down with the clampy dudes. I'm going to hold it down because they're just kind of floating around in here. Not so safe. What are you working on, Sarah? The toilet?
Chris!
What you doing, Sarah? Oh, you're doing the toilet. Yeah.
Disgust me.
Captains always have to do the toilet.
Yeah. So
Nice.
I was second guessing my position in life.
Yeah, exactly. Alright, there's the new batteries. 2 of them. 2 more under that seat. Let's see what Sarah's doing over here. Hi, Sarah.
Hi.
Are you having fun yet?
Oh yeah. Toilet's out.
Yay.
It's cleaning.
There she is. Up on the hard. It's pretty cool here at night. All these beautiful boats. Nobody in here. It's pretty cool that they're letting us stay on the boat up on the hard here while we work on it. It's a pretty active boatyard too. They had boats in and out all day long up on the travel lifts and loading on semis and loading them off semis and doing all kinds of work. And the guys were really working hard on our boat. They got the whole thing sanded. Today we're gonna paint it this weekend. And yeah. Alright guys, what is up? I don't know if you can see that sunrise or not. We're in the yard. It's day, I don't know, what day is it today? Saturday. I guess we've been here for 3 days. Doesn't feel like we got a whole lot of work done, but working on it. Today we're going to be, they got the hull all sanded, so today we're going to be priming, painting the bottom, and getting the motor back together, and getting the toilet back together. Got the batteries in last night. It's going to be pretty quiet here in the yard because they don't work on the weekends, so that's cool. So this will be us. Let's do this. Alright, this is proof Sarah is actually working on her boat. We decided to change the water line for the bottom paint because she's a little butt heavy, so did a nice taper all the way up. And so hopefully that'll keep all that growth from growing on that edge like it was before. So I'm getting ready to start priming, and we'll throw some paint on her. Yeah. Alright, we got the first coat of blue on. They told us to go over the primer areas with the 1 coat and then a whole coat on the whole boat and then 1 more coat. So it'll basically have 3 coats on the primered areas. I come over here in the sun. There's the color there, which looks pretty good. It's like a lighter blue to the dark navy blue up there. The yard's gonna move the stands and put a couple coats on those spots before they lift it, I guess. It's the glamorous boat life, the glamorous boat life. Cleaning toilets, taking them all apart and putting new gaskets in them. You having fun yet, Sarah?
This is a blast.
It
I
is.
spend every weekend this way.
It is. I know. It's like, what do you like to do on your weekends? I like to take my toilet apart. All right, we're just waiting for this stuff to cure, about another hour, and we're gonna throw on the second coat. Looking pretty good. I'm working on the engine. Every girl's dream to take toilets apart. But next time, you know, you'll know how to do it. Just put that on your list every year.
Buy a new one.
Yeah. I think it's day 4. I got dirty fingernails, tired, dirty, and still a list of things to do. This is my morning voice when I should do all of my voiceovers for my videos. Good morning, San Francisco. All right, moment of truth here, Sarah. Yep, I think I need a boat project.
You have one.
Yeah, a project of not maintaining my sister's boat 4,000 miles away. Well, isn't this cute? What do you do on a Saturday night?
Sunday night.
Shh, it's YouTube, Sarah. Don't tell them. What do you do on a Saturday night? I rebuild a bronze toilet.
This is my third day.
Yeah, Sarah's on day 3 of rebuilding this toilet here. I'll give you a little shot of the inside here. It's a total wreck because we've been working our butts off.
I'm sure they
Back to the toilet.
Just got seasick.
Alright, it's Monday morning. We are getting ready to roll out. I have to head back to real life here. The guys just moved the stands, so they're gonna touch up these spots with 2 coats. We weren't allowed to move the stands. So yeah, but we got the toilet all fixed, we got the bottom painted, we got all the bunch of hoses done on the motor. And oh yeah.